What's up, guys? Welcome back to the spot. It's your boy S Dub. Hopefully, I can kill some boredom today. Today I just installed a toilet, brand new, 250 something dollars, brand new toilet, and that was at 10 o'clock this morning. It's currently 8 p.m. So what is that? 10 hours, you know? Yeah, 10 o'clock, yeah, 8 p.m. So it's been 10 hours, and I don't know if y'all can hear that hissing noise in the background. That right there is my freaking field valve. Toilet is not even a whole day old, and the field valve is leaking. My kids and me, we probably only flushed the toilet a total of 4 times within the 10-hour span. So I could complain, go get a warranty, or use the warranty. It's 10 year, do all that fanciness. I'm just gonna do a quick video and show y'all how to replace the valve. It's only 15 bucks in 15 minutes. So let's get it. All right, first step is turn the water off. Flush and hold. All right, and what we're gonna do, you wanna put a towel down. I have to mop the floor, so I'm not. But what you do, right here, bam, there's water in there. If you're lucky, it's stiff enough where you can kind of prop it like that. Okay, now you must remove this little nut right here. I'm gonna have to go and get my wrench. That thing's on there pretty tight. Okay, so it's pretty full in there. So prop a bucket up. Sometimes your drain right here would be low. This one's actually high. I'm glad I checked. We already got a leak sprung, and that's just from loosening it. So we got it taken out. Remove the little clip right there. Bam, it's out. Now with this one, it leaks, so we're gonna toss it. We're gonna keep this gasket. Bam, right there. Fluid Master. Universal. Says it has some type of leak detection. I don't know how that works, but we'll find out, guys. Okay, what I'm doing now is, this is the new one, this is the old one. I've taken this feel off of the old one. I'm gonna reuse all of the old parts. This is the bag of new parts. I'm gonna keep it. This is the new feel neck. The only difference is it gives you a regulate to limit the amount of flow that feels. We want full throttle. Hurry up and get it over with. And I'm looking at it, these are actually the same damn thing. And just because of how this toilet's made, it can't use the leak detection. It's too high. But what we have to do is, right now I'm adjusting the height. You just pop that up, which I did on this one. All right, we want this thing to be pretty high, guys. The higher it is, the higher the level. Because we have a high fill flap, we want a higher level so more water go. Because normally the fill flap is low. This one is a quarter the height of this thing. So we want it to be as high up as we can get it. There we go. And then we just slip this back down on it. Come on. There we go. It's on there. I'm not gonna remove the leak detection. No need. Come on. There you go. And then take our little plastic nut and crimp it back down. Make sure it's tight, guys. If you be playing around on tightening this, you're gonna be mad. You saw when once it gets loosened up, it'll start leaking. And then we're gonna adjust this little valve right here. What this is doing is when we adjust this right here, it raises your assembly, and the higher it is, the more water fill you'll get. I like it to fill all the way up. When it comes to the shit water, I don't like to play around, guys. There we go. That's all the way down. Now we should be good. Yep. We're not leaking, we're filling. It does work. Oh. I have to remove the safety. See, when I pulled it up, it locked it. All right, so I didn't remove the safety. I just bent the little tab. I just bent it and we're good. See, and I want it pretty high because you see how tall that is. Normally the flap be flush like with the screws right there, but it's definitely not. Oh, and there it is. All right, I'm going to have to move the chain. It's stuck. But all right, guys, thanks for coming. Spot you in the next one.